them from the world wild threats. But at present, in the world in which we are living, there is no such requirement of like fight to flight response. So we don't need, because we are not facing any kind of wild issues or wild threats, but due to some imaginary problems or imaginary threats, we just create this condition in our body. Like if we just face some altercation with someone, or we just face any problem in our daily life, like any financial issue. So this problem occurs in our body, and we just reach in the condition of fight to flight response. So what happens? So, if I just categorize the stress, there are two types of stress. One is called eustress and another is chronic stress. Eustress is generally for a short period of time, and it's healthy for the body because it makes us motivated for some kind of I would say some kind of exams or some kind of sports. But if this condition remains for a long time, we call it chronic stress, and it creates multiple health problems like type 2 diabetes mellitus, PCOD, hypertension, and cardiac issues as well. There are multiple types of diabetes, that is type 1 diabetes, which we call juvenile diabetes, and type 2 diabetes, which we call adult onset diabetes, and MODY, maturity onset diabetes in youngsters, and LADA, latent autoimmune diabetes in adults. So basically type 2 diabetes is associated with stress and cardiac issues. Cardiac issues, I would say atherosclerosis, because stress creates the problem in lining of the arteries, and the lining of the arteries starts getting damaged. In that condition, a plaque is formed on the damaged artery, and then plaque formation and then clogging of arteries just takes place. So declining of health in cardiac issues, and most of the times our immunity also compromise due to stress. When our immunity compromised with the stress, some kind of cancers also develop. We develop some kind of cancers in our body, and most of the times risk of stroke also increases. So basically, the problem is increasing stress among youth and adult population at a very fast pace, and due to this, the performance of the students is decreasing, and they are not able to perform well in their academics. And the second problem is increasing comorbid conditions due to stress, like